Hello, welcome. This is Abel Lake of the Abel Lake Group, and today we'll be discussing parts of knowledge. In a sense, putting the parts of knowledge together is putting all parts of your life together in a way where you are more prosperous and successful, and are using the stuff that you understand from learning to the positive benefit of yourself and others. The main crucial benefit of knowledge is understanding your surroundings, and that begins with understanding yourself, about your temperament, what upsets you, what makes you happy, what doesn't make a difference. Knowing all these parts of life makes it stronger for you to have a better understanding of how you take care of yourself. The other parts of understanding that are very crucial are others, how you interpret what others tell you, what they do to you, what they sell you, what they do by behaviors. Understanding others is also high understanding of yourself as well. And the last thing about understanding is your surroundings, the nature around you, the work environment, the pleasure environment, the afterlife, the current life. Your surroundings is all part of your understanding and the being of what you want to know as far as becoming a knowledgeable person and putting those into parts. The second largest part of understanding yourself through knowledge is the synthesizing of information. How you synthesize what you read, putting everything that you ingest through your eyes and ears into a way that helps you become more successful is also a way of synthesizing your knowledge. Another way to synthesize your knowledge is by what you write. A lot of people write a journal. It's very popular to write your thoughts down and then look at them later and see like how you felt that day, what made you feel better, what made you feel worse, what went right, what didn't go right. And the last part of synthesis is going through things that you hear. You may hear things about yourself from others. You may hear things about yourself through other channels. Hearing around you is another part of synthesizing information. Another big crucial part of knowledge is processing what you've learned from yourself, others, and through your study. Processing all these parts put together allows you to see like how the parts fit each other, from your surroundings, from yourself, from others, from what you read, write, and understand. Processing all these parts of information makes it a way basically to be more successful, because you can have all the parts in front of you, all the knowledge in front of you, all the pieces in front of you, but if you don't process them the right way and make them work for you, they'll never work. The last part of this is the components that you put together from these different parts of processing makes you feel freer. If you can process all these things in a way that make you feel freer, is the goal. Essentially, freedom is what man is derived from. Our freedom of nature, freedom of decision, freedom of thought. Feeling freer is a great sense of freedom. The other thing is, from these parts that they're put together the right way, from the synthesizing, the processing, and the understanding, is that you'll feel more confident. If you feel more confident, you will do more great things for yourself and others and those around you. Confidence breeds confidence, and confidence feels good. If you're confident in yourself, you're going to feel much better throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. And the last thing is being prosperous. Prosperity is the synthesis of all things put together. Everybody wants to be prosperous, whether it's financially secure, whether it's emotionally secure, whether it's intellectually secure. Prosperity is the final goal. Prosperity is where we all want to reach. And that's the final thing that I'll talk about today. So today we talked about knowledge, understanding, synthesizing that understanding, processing that understanding, and putting all those components together. Thank you. This is Abel Lake with the Abel Lake Group. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.